Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You may be thinking you're in a little bit of a different position. That is because I'm sitting on the floor right now with my suitcase because I am going to Lisbon. So yes, I'm going for 4 days and 3 nights with my boyfriend James, and I am super excited to be going. I feel like this has waited for so long for it to come around, even though we only booked it in January, but I'm super excited because the last trip we were supposed to go on was back in November and I ended up going to A&E instead. So I'm so excited to actually be going on a plane again and going somewhere nice and warm, which is a complete opposite to what the UK is right now. So yeah, I'm so looking forward to that. So I thought I would just show you what I'm going to be packing. Yeah, just take you along with my little packing journey really. So let's get into the video. So these are the outfits that I'm going to be taking. It's very minimal but very interchangeable. So I could easily put like this two-piece set, which is a top and a cardigan. I could put it with the pink skirt. I could put the white waistcoat with the black skirt. Obviously the dress will be a dress, but it's easily interchangeable, so I can make different outfits. I'm also going to be going in my linen trousers as well, and I'm going to put a denim jacket with me as well. So I've got that to also keep me warm in the evenings because it does get quite cold there, just from looking at like the forecast. So yeah, I've made it very interchangeable, only a few things, kept it very minimal because obviously I'm only in hand luggage. I'm also going to be taking this bag with me, so I'm going to use that as my hand luggage, and then obviously it comes with a crossbody strap, so I'm just going to use that the whole entire time. I'm going to be going in trainers, so as I've heard that Lisbon is very, very hilly, so definitely need something comfortable to wear. And then I've also got my sandals, which I thought I would just take with me for the evening if I wanted to wear something different. So yeah, so they're just some gladiator sandals I got from Zara ages ago. And then I've got my packing cubes, which I'm going to put everything inside just to make it more organised. I've got also this bag. Also got this bag that I can just put like my dirty underwear in it, so it just keeps it separate. And then I'm also going to take my Spanx with me because, you know, chub rub is real and I don't want to be getting sore thighs whilst I'm walking around. So yeah, so that's kind of the wardrobe I am going for. So yeah, very minimal but also practical for what the weather is like at the moment. I'm also going to give it a steam before I put it in my suitcase. But yeah, so that's what I've decided on. That's all my clothes nice and packed away. So I've got all my skirts and my dresses in this one, and then I've got my tops and my cardigan in this one, and plus as well the bag that I'm going to use for my dirty underwear. I just need to put my pyjamas in there and my underwear, and then that is all done. And then I've got my jewellery, my sunglasses, my adapter, and also my vlogging tripod because I'm planning to vlog the trip. So I've just got my necklace, which is from Linya. I've also got some earrings which are from Linya, and these 2 rings that are from Linya, and then this one's from Monica Vinader, and then this one is from Pandora. And I'm just going to put it inside this little jewellery case that I got. I think it might have been from Etsy or something, or did I get it from ASOS? I really can't remember, but I'm just going to put all my jewellery inside here just to keep it all together, and then it doesn't muck up or go flying around in my suitcase and get tangled up everywhere because no one wants that, definitely not. So that's all done. I like to keep my jewellery very minimal, and then I've just got my sunglasses from River Island, which I will take with me in my hand luggage just so I've got them handy for when I arrive at the airport. And then I've got all my toiletries all planned out. So obviously where I'm flying with hand luggage, I will need to obviously have miniature versions of stuff. So I'm just going to put my shower gel and my shampoo and conditioner and that all in these tubes, which I think I got from Amazon, but I'm not entirely sure. So they're really handy to have. Obviously a small little roll-on deodorant, my hairbrush, my razor, obviously some blister plasters because they're always handy, a clip in case I wanted to just put my hair up, some Vaseline because my lips do get very dry in the heat, some sun cream, and then I've got little mini versions of my LMS. So I use LMS for all my skincare pretty much, and where I bought obviously bigger versions, they gave me little mini versions. So I've just got the Pro Cleansing Balm, the night cream, the day cream, and some essence, and then I've just got some eye gel as well. So that's what I'm going to be taking with me. I'm going to put it all inside my travel case, but I will get a plastic bag from Stansted Airport so I can put all of them all inside, so then I can go through security okay. And then I just need to put my toothbrush and my toothpaste in there once I've cleaned my teeth before I go. So that's all my toiletries. So I've literally just laid everything on my bed that I'm going to be taking just to put into my suitcase. So I've got my clothes, my shoes, my toiletries, my jewellery, my tripod, my hairbrush, so that's all just going to go in there. Yeah, I feel super organised, and this is what I love about packing, is that I don't always end up throwing so much stuff into the suitcase because I know what I'm going to take and make myself a little mini capsule wardrobe, and I just become super organised with my packing cube, so I've put different things into there. So yeah, it's so less stressful than how I used to be, and yeah, I don't know whether being a personal stylist has really made a difference with that, but yeah, so all we just got to do now is just pack it. There you have it, a nice tidy suitcase. I put my toiletries at the top so it's easy to access for when I get to Stansted. And yeah, I feel like, you know when you just think you're missing something because it just looks too light, and I weighed it as well and it only was 7 kilos, so that's very impressive if I say so myself. But yeah, so suitcase is all done, just need to grab my passport to put in my hand luggage, and then we're all ready to go. And that's it, we're all ready to go to Lisbon. I'm super excited. Obviously I'm taking my vlogging tripod with me, so I will be able to vlog the trip, so that will be coming up soon. Obviously by the time this video comes up I will already be in Lisbon, but yeah, I am super excited. I cannot contain my excitement at all. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like or even subscribe to my channel, because I will be having more videos coming up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.